And today, we're talking about transport today. All the different things we can use to go from one to two, okay? So, let's think of the first one. What do you normally go in with Mummy and Daddy? In your arm? What's that? Did you say it? Well done, yes, it's a car. Good job. And what's another one that goes, another transport that goes in the sky, like this? What's that? That's right, it's a plane. Well done. Sometimes we say plane, sometimes we say aeroplane, okay? You can say both, aeroplane or plane, okay? Good job. And what's the next one? What's about the one that goes on the water? Ooh, that makes you a bit seasick. What's that one? Yes, you're right, it's a boat. Very good. And what about the one that goes choo-choo, choo-choo on the track? What's that one? Do you know? That's right, it's a train. Very good. And what about this one that you ride at home where you have to pedal like this? What's this one? That's right, it's a bicycle. Well done, a bicycle. I like that one. I like to ride a bicycle. Do you like to ride a bicycle? Good. Now, there's another one with two wheels, but you have to go like this. What's that? What's that? That's right, a motorbike. Very good, a motorbike. I like motorbikes as well. Now, we have two more, okay? One is very big, and they use it to put food or other things in to go very far. What's it called? It starts with That's right, yes, a truck. Well done, a truck. And the last one is one, sometimes you go to school in it, huh? Or you can travel in it. It starts with B. Bus, well done, yes, a bus, excellent. Shall we do them again? Let's check them all again, and then we'll see if, think of a song we can sing, okay? Are you ready? So, first we have a car, a plane, a boat, a train, a bicycle, a motorbike, a truck, and a bus. That's right, well done. Oh, you're so very good. Now, we're going to sing a little song. What song do you know? About wheels. Did you say it? That's right, the wheels on the bus. Can you sing it with me? Shall we try it one time first? And then we'll sing it all together. Are you ready? Okay. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. Now, the wipers. Can you go like this? Okay. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish all day long. Very good. Now, the children. Are you ready to go up, up and down, up and down? Okay, let's go. The children on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The children on the bus go up and down all day long. Did you get that one? Very good. Now the babies. What do babies do? They go wah, wah, wah. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. The babies on the bus go wah, 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 wah. The babies on the bus go wah, 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 all day long. Very good. And if the babies go wah, 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 what do the mummies say? That's right. Shh, shh, shh. Very good. Are you ready? Let's go. The mummies on the bus go shh, 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 shh. The mummies on the bus go shh, all day long. Very good. Oh, well done, everybody. You were very good. Shall we do the whole song now? All the song. Yes? Okay, you ready to join in? Stand like the bus with the wheels. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. Swish, 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 the wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all day long. The children on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The children on the bus go up and down all day long. The babies on the bus go wah, wah, wah. Wah, 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 wah. The babies on the bus go wah, 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 all day long. The mummies on the bus go the mummies on the bus go all day long. Well done, everyone. I can hear you all singing. That was amazing. I really like that. Well done. Let's look at the vocabulary again, and then we're going to say goodbye, okay? Are you ready? So, today we talked about the bus, and the car, and the bicycle, and the boat, and the plane, and the motorbike, and the truck, and the train. That's right. Well done! Good job! I hope you enjoyed it today. Don't forget, check out Coaching English Facebook page. And we'll see you again next time. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye!